What's up everybody, my name is Gabriel Showole and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make colors pop in Photoshop. So let's get straight into it right now. Welcome back guys. Making colors pop in Photoshop is not as hard as you think. So let's get straight into my laptop right now and I'll show you how to make colors pop in Photoshop. Okay, so guys, we are in Photoshop right now and we have this lovely image of myself and my beautiful wife. That's for our traditional marriage, and I want to make this green right here pop up more, and I want to make the color of our dress also pop out more, which is the wine color. Okay, so to do that, I'll come down here, click to add an adjustment layer, and then choose hue saturation, and I want to make the green pop out first. So I'll come to this master, change that to green, and then to see what is really going on here, if I come to my saturation and I just take that up, you can see the green is becoming, greener, making the color pop more, but it's not affecting all the green. So to make it affect all the green, let me change this back to 0. Okay, let me see what is going on here. Let me see what is actually being changed. So if I increase the hue, I have this right here. Now you can see that it's really not affecting all the green. Okay, this is not the way we're going to leave it. We're still going to bring that back to 0, but I'm just increasing that so you can see what is actually being changed. So to make sure that our green is the one changing, or all of the greens are changing together, there's a slider at the bottom here. Okay, I can come here and begin to play with that until I get all this green change the color. So I'll come here and click and drag to select more of the green. You can see more of the green is being selected, but as I take that, if I take that too much, you see that it begins to affect the skin tone, and you don't want it to affect the skin tone. So I'll stop at that point where it affects all the grain but doesn't affect the skin tone. So somewhere around here is perfect. All right, so you can see all the greens are being affected but not affecting the skin tones. So let me change this back to 0. Now I can now increase the saturation based on how much of the grain I want. So I'll take that up, and let's say maybe somewhere around let's say 50 is okay. So we can see the way the grains are coming out more and they look brighter. Okay, so for the wine color or the red, I'm going to come here and change this to red, and then when I change it to red, if I increase this one more time, you can see that it's not just affecting the dress, it's also affecting the skin color. So I want to reduce this to that point whereby it doesn't affect the skin color again and only affects the dress. So I'll come here, click and drag this to the left until it doesn't affect the skin tones again. So somewhere around here looks nice. All right, then I can now change this back to 0 and then increase my saturation the way I want it to be. So maybe I'll take it all the way to maybe 50 again, and then that should look good. And then with that, you can see what we have right now. This is what we have before and this is what we have after. You can see the way I've been able to make the colors pop out more in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching that video. I'm super excited you were able to watch it to the end, and I'm sure you've gained value from the video you've seen. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Smash the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and click on the notification bell so you can receive updates when I release new videos. Now, if you're ready to learn Photoshop from the beginning to advanced level, I have an online course that will do that just for you. Check it out in the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.